Hello everyone, today I'm embarking on a thrilling adventure here in Alaska. Not only am I surrounded by breathtaking scenery, but I'm also going to try my hand at fishing in these pristine waters. After walking for a few minutes, I reached this beautiful fishing spot. There's something incredibly serene about being out here in nature. It's moments like these that remind us of the beauty and tranquility that the world has to offer. It didn't take long before I felt a tug on the line. It was a moment of pure exhilaration, the thrill of the catch only matched by the stunning surroundings. Look at this beauty. It's incredible to think that just moments ago, this salmon was swimming freely in these waters. Now comes the best part, cooking up this delicious salmon. I believe in sustainable living and knowing where our food comes from, so catching my own meal feels incredibly rewarding. And voila, here we have it, a mouth-watering Alaskan salmon, fresh from the lake to the grill. It doesn't get any better than this. A mouth-watering salmon, grilled to perfection with just a sprinkle of herbs, salt and a drizzle of oil. Simple yet sensational. Join me next time for another adventure in the great outdoors. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.